Sorry talaga.
Naku, naku, okay lang yun. Ano ka ba? Alam mo na, ako sorry sa'yo kasi hindi naman talaga dapat ako nagbabasa habang naglalakad.
Hindi. Kasalanan ko yun kasi kung saan ako nakatingin. Kaya hindi ko napansin na nasa harapan pala kita.
Sorry.
By the way,
Anton!
paano mo nalaman?
I'm Judith. And I really have to go. Sorry.
See you around, Judith.
Okay, so that's how you solve the Fibonacci sequence. Any questions? Okay, none. Ready na ata kayong mag-solve. So, who wants to solve the given problem? No one? Wala talaga? Okay, so pipili na lang ako. You, boy at the back.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, 널 알아볼 수 있을 것 같아. 멈추지 않는 내 심장이 죽을 것 같이 뛰고 있어. I say you stepped into my heart, softer than summer night, became my everything. And now I know you're a piece of my heart. You take my hands, take my whole life. Do you see the flowers in my eyes? I tell you now, I know there's no way without you now.
Para saan yung iniinom mo?
Ito.
Yeah.
Para sa sakit ko to.
Sakit?
Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Hindi mo malala yung sakit ko, kaya okay lang.
Oh. Okay. By the way, samahan mo ko mamaya after class, ha? May kailangan ako ipakita sa'yo. You know what? I'll see you na lang later. After class, okay? I really have to go. Bye.
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Sa Paraíso. Sige na. Okay.
Bakit nasa sementeryo tayo? Bakit ako nandyan? Patay na ako. Patay na ako. Judith? Judith?
Yes, dear. You're dead. You died of your illness 10 years ago.
Hindi. Sabi ng doktor, gagaling ako. Sinabi niya yun.
But look, where are you now? Actually, marami nang sumundo sa'yo eh. Pero hindi ka sumama sa kanila. Kasi yung attachment mo sa buhay mo is too powerful. This is not actually my job.
Di pa ako patay.
Matagal ka ng patay.
Hindi ako mamamatay.
You already passed the due date. You have to accept the fact na you're dead 10 years ago. Tanggapin mo na matagal ka ng patay.
Hindi ako patay. At hindi ako sasama sa'yo.
Wala kang magagawa. Kasi kailangan kitang sunduin. And this is your last shot. I am the dead. Kapag sinabi kong it's time,